What's the definition of poaching? The definition is basically it's moist cooking by submerging in a hot liquid. The ideal temperature for poaching is 160 to 180, 85 degrees. There's a bunch of different things that you can poach with, and we're going to cover them all here in the class today. You can poach with water, you can poach with broth, you can poach with wine and milk. I'm going to be opening with a shrimp cocktail. Okay, and of course we have to go over a basic poached egg. My water is at a simmer already. I'm going to add all the ingredients listed except for the shrimp. Okay, garlic. What I'm going to do is I've got some whole cloves here. I'm just going to give it a little rough chop. Now it's at a simmer, but I'm going to bring it to a boil to help extract all that flavor out. So I've got my garlic in there, my black peppercorns. I've got some parsley stems for flavor, bay leaves, a cup of white wine, and I've got the juice of 3 lemons. So we're gonna bring that to a boil and let it boil for just a few minutes to extract some of those flavors, okay? I'm also gonna put a couple tablespoons of salt in there too. Okay, this is a technique called a shallow poach, and this is a deep poach. It's just a level of water. First of all, I have my water here, and we're going to add a shot of vinegar. Add the vinegar to it. So I've got some eggs here. This makes it very easy and a very clean poach. If I take the egg and I drop it into a container, and then I take the container and gently drop it in to the water. Now, depending on how done you want your egg, it usually takes about 3, 4, maybe 5 minutes at the most. Drop one in. So we want to keep them a couple inches apart. So poached eggs pair really well with a salad that is dressed with a vinaigrette. So I've got a little lettuce here, and I'm using our poppy seed dressing that we serve in the restaurant. For my shrimp, I'm going to use this spider here and extract all of these things that were used to flavor the water. And now I'm going to turn this down because we don't want to boil our shrimp, right? We don't want to boil our eggs here either. You can go up to 185 degrees for poaching, and boiling is 212. So it doesn't take long to break that barrier. So what I'm doing here now is just kind of basting the egg, pouring some hot water right over the top so the top cooks as well. So special treatment to the chef table over here. Right. So I'm just gonna take my shrimp. We're not at a boil or anything. And it's only gonna take probably less than a minute, depending on the size of your shrimp. You're looking for that nice orangey and white color on shrimp. Okay, then what I have over here is an ice bath. It's just ice and water mixed together. And what you're gonna do is extract all your shrimp with your spider or slotted spoon and add them to the ice water to stop the cooking process and to chill them, because this is a cold dish. Get these nice and chilled. I'm gonna take a shrimp just because, say I'm questioning the doneness. I could either break it open or cut it open. And what you're looking for is a nice pure white kind of color, which we have here. If it were to look any gray, I would probably put them back in the water. So, cocktail sauce. Does anybody make it from scratch out there? How easy is it? It's 3 ingredients in my book. It's ketchup. I've got, I'm gonna put a pinch of salt in there. Squeeze about a half a lemon in there for some flavor. To me, the horseradish is spicy enough, but if you want to spice it up even more, you can add a little bit of Tabasco. But 3 ingredients, it's better than any store-bought cocktail sauce, I guarantee you. So this is perfect timing that we're doing shrimp cocktail, because every holiday party I seem to go to, there's a shrimp cocktail platter out there. All right, and there you have it. Shrimp cocktail, 1, 2, 3, yeah.